My name is Simbila. I'm an entrepreneur and a managing director of SchoolBiz Network, and we are located at Mikocheni. As a company, we have a product called SchoolBiz App, and our main slogan is learn, educate, and network. Because we chose the slogan because as application people study, so people can learn through the application, people can network through the application, and people can be educated through the application. And we have a team of 6 people who they have different activities in the company, and we're really proud of having them. SchoolBiz Network, it's a company that impacts people in different industries or in different markets. But we are based in 2 areas, entrepreneurship and innovation. And in an innovation side, we have an application that's called SchoolBiz App. And the main name is bring African students together so they can learn, discuss, and network. Our company started in 2016. We had an idea in 2016 and we implemented it in 2017 on 5th of August. So as I got an idea, we had to start it as a website. And we started developing an application on the year 2019. Until now, we are still in progress. As the application, what we're trying to solve right now is we know our students have different challenges. And as the application, we are trying to bring African students together so that they can learn, they can network, and get to know each other. So as that community, we have, in our country, we have people who have issues in jobs. We have challenges in scholarships. We have challenges in opportunities. So we are trying to make an application solve some different problems that we have in 3 sectors: jobs, scholarships, and opportunities. Because we believe when you have a lot of students in a place, we believe we can help them through the application, and themselves, they can help each other through the connection that they have. Back in 2016, I remember it was in the middle of the night, because I used the nights because they're always quiet, so I really prefer them to clear up my head and get some new ideas. So I remember in 2016, I got an idea. I thought, why don't we have this kind of community whereby students get together and do whatever they want to do? Because we have Jamii forums, we have Facebook, we have whatever, but we don't have something of our own. So that inspired me to think more of an idea. That's when in the year 2017 I started with a website. So I remember when I had the website at first, I was really excited because my dream is coming to life. So from 2017 on August 5th after the launch, we have been pushing and pushing. We had an ups and downs, we had different challenges until where we are today. So I got the inspiration through the cry of the students, because I've been hearing issues like we're looking for scholarships, others we have job issues right now. So I think through the application we can make a lot of impact. In 2016 I was still a student, though I really love studying and doing something extra out of school. And I've been working with different organizations and different companies, so I really had to decide to have something open, because I believe when you start something early, as day goes on, something grows and you'll have something big that can make an impact. So back in the times I was still in school. In 2016, I really didn't have anything. I didn't have any funds, I didn't have any money. So talking to my parents back in the times in school, the parents really love their children to study. So they tell you, study first. After you're done with studying, you can do what you want to do. And at that time, I wasn't really that kind of guy in just studying. So I had to think something else. So raising the funds, I remember for the website, I had some kind of budget. And I really thought maybe if I could get 10 people who can help me with this kind of money, I could have something to start with. And I really thank God, because I really have a really good connection of people who really supports and inspire me too. So I wrote a proposal and I went to a few people that I know who can really listen to me and understand what I want to do. And from then, I really thank God I got the 10 people who supported me with this kind of money each for starting the website. From then, in 2017, I traveled to China for school. So after I traveled, back in the times I was working with this company that's working on my website, the communication was an issue back in the time because, you can send an email, we need to work on this and this, the email delays and stuff. So I think on the year 2018, I didn't do anything about the website. So it's like, I really didn't do anything about SchoolBiz. So I was working on other projects till when in 2019, I got back again and started afresh with a new website and the application. So for the start, I didn't start with anything, but I connected with people who can help me. And that's when we started something, and till today, we're still pushing. And we're trying to look for investors right now because the product is really in shape. So we're trying to look for more people who can pitch in because we know when we have funds or we have money, we can do a lot with the students right now. My service or my product as the application, how it works is it's a free application whereby somebody can download in Play Store or in App Store. Now, when somebody downloads it, they have to sign up and create an account so that they can get an access inside the platform. And inside the platform, people are free to post anything, to share anything, create groups that they can chat and discuss anything about class. And they can engage in different platforms inside the platform, like jobs, scholarships, and opportunities, whereby when they engage inside there, they can get access to the information that are posted, and themselves are free to post and share or ask anything so that they can get support from anybody inside the platform. Because, it's a community, it's different people inside there, so people can help each other inside that platform. I didn't think for the people who have smartphones right now, because we can have projects, we can have workshops, we can have different activities for students whereby we can impact them or we can help them in one or another out of the application, because the application is just for the people who have smartphones. And I believe right now, because a lot of people have smartphones right now and people can have access to internet and all that, so it could be easy for people to work. But for the people who don't have smartphones, that keeps the people who are in villages who don't have access to the smartphones. And we're trying to look for a way whereby we can help the people who don't have access to the smartphones. Our targeted customers are the students and the youth, because these are the people who are the next generation, and we're trying to build such kind of community whereby the same people have big ideas and have a lot of positive impact inside our community. And how we are reaching them right now, we're reaching them online and through the media. But very soon we'll be starting the school tours from school to university, whereby we can start more projects with the students and introduce the application. So those can be the two ways that we are using, and the one that's coming very soon. For the online, how we work is we use the social network platforms, whereby you can use the Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Also, we do use the medias like radios and TVs, whereby from there we can introduce the platform, marketing ourselves so people can know what we're doing and what product we have for them, for the students. Actually, we have different initiatives in our country. Because in education, we have, I know some few, we have Shule Direct, we have My Elim, and these people, how they work much more with secondary schools. And for us, we work with anybody, because we believe anybody is a student. Even if somebody ain't going to school, but still can get the application and learn something from the others, and still can get more opportunities or job offers or scholarships to go to study more. So for our application, it's more than just a platform for mostly everybody. We don't clarify this for secondary schools or universities, but that's how different we are with the rest. And we have different services with what they give. For the services, we provide scholarships. We have platforms like scholarships, jobs, and opportunities, whereby people can get access to different information, share information with them. But the rest of the people, the example, Shule Direct, I think they give notes and textbook and quizzes for the students in secondary schools. So that's way more different with what we're doing. Also, we have more products coming up for the application that will be more different with what they're doing. Actually, I really wished back in the years I could have this idea back in the times. Yeah, I could have it earlier, because right now I think we could have a leading platform, I can say in Africa or in Tanzania, that supports students, and students can come together and do what they want to do through the application. So I really wished I could do this way back earlier. Since the establishment, the biggest achievement is winning an award in 2020. It was on 24th August. There are these competitions that are done in China called Internet Plus competition. So I remember back in 2018, we participated. And how we participate in this competition is we start from the school. Then when you achieve on the school level, you go compete with with different provinces in China. So I remember we need to have a group of 10 people so they can create presentations and business proposals ready for pitching on the selected day. So 2018 we just had a website, but luckily enough we didn't go to the next level. But 2019 around December, the competition started, the other one. I think these were the 6th competition that happens in China. So I remember in 2019 we joined again. We had a group of 2, and that time we had application, the website ready. So at least we really had enough content to compete for the 2020 competitions. So we got the opportunity to create PowerPoints, business proposals and all. And we were in the business school. I studied in Ningbo University. So in the business school, we are the selected project inside the business school. And that gave us the push and gave us the courage to do more for the big competition. So on 24th August, that was the biggest competition whereby we joined different schools in different provinces in China, and they were done in a city called Hangzhou. So I remember those competitions. We participated. Bad luck, I was in Tanzania. I came back on Friday, but my team were working. They remained there, so they were working all the presentations and the pitching while I'm absent. So I remember I was following it online, and when we were among the 8 people who were selected. So the competition had different categories. So among the 8 people, we were among the people selected. So we won the gold medal, the gold trophy. And that gave us the recognition and the push to do much more with what we have. And it created us recognition that people really want this kind of stuff to help the students. So I think that was the biggest achievement that we did since we started the company. Actually, my application didn't get affected, because this is the platform whereby people can use the same application through online classes. So it has a positive impact. So I really can't say it had a negative impact, because it's just an application. People use phones and stuff. So it was very easy for people to download it, discuss and do whatever they want to do with the application online when they're homes or work or whatever. So to me, it didn't impact. It had a positive impact to what we were doing. Actually, we have products that are coming up. So I really can say that we have more ideas through the application, whereby we can upgrade our services and give the students what they really want. So I really can't say them right now, but we can have more ideas, and we have ongoing ideas right now on how we can modify our services or application for the students that we have in Tanzania. Any external help, I really think, because we have a community of students, but the coming years or the coming times when we are really growing, I think we really want to help students first study, because there are a lot of students who can't go to school. They don't have fees. They have family issues. They can't go to school to study because of the finance and all. So we really wanna, one of the factors that we really wanna help the students who can't go to school, to help them go to school. That's not online, that's outsourced. So we really want to help the students get education and help them in some challenges that they have in school. If we could get any support from the government or media or any other, right now we really need finance so that we can do a lot. And also we really need, because the media companies are really helping people like us. That means these guys introduce us to the community that this is what we're doing. So we really need contribution from the media to tell the community what we're doing. This is what we have for the students, and these are the services we have, so that people can download the application. They can do what they want to do inside the app. So we really need the media. And for other sponsors and investors, we welcome them right now, because we really need partners and to work with, because we can't work alone. And really, if we really want to get far, actually we have to go with people. So we really need support from each and every one of us to help the students in Tanzania. Actually, in 5 years, I really see SchoolBiz as the biggest platform in Africa, having a lot of students, whereby we are making an impact through the problems that we have, solving them or helping different students inside the platform. So in 5 years, I can see we have a very big community of students doing what they want to do, and actually our dreams coming true. Actually, the advice I can give to the students in Tanzania, actually work on the idea that you have right now. You don't have to wait for the right time to start it. So the good time is right now, because we have a lot of issues in Tanzania, and these are the people who really have to help us right now. So if you have an idea, work it out right now, and we can have support from the government, from anybody, and you can do a lot inside Tanzania to help others. I really thank Media Convergency for the opportunity, and I really love what you guys are doing. You have been helping the techie parts and introducing the people to the world. So thank you a lot. Keep doing what you're doing. Thank you.